Welcome back to the season finale of the Nature Show, everybody. Survival edition. Survival edition. Survival edition. Let's go meet the survivalist now. Whee! This is our survivalist today, Bear Grylls. How you doing today, buddy?
Nah.
So tell us a little bit about yourself. Where do you live? How's your way of life?
Over there somewhere.
Oh yeah, what do you do over there?
Eat, sleep.
Now our friend here, Bear Grylls, is going to show us around a little bit. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Deborah. You might remember me from the last episode. After the incident, I decided to change my career to something a little more fulfilling. Now I've decided to be a hitman. Isn't that cute? I used to be Deborah Marie, but now I'm Deborah Deadshot.
What'd you find in there?
Let me get out of here first. Scar, new jacket.
Oh my. Oh. Oh. That's lovely.
Now go, Yuri. Kill Deborah. She is here now. She killed your brother, Billy Bob Joe. Now go!
Well, you can't live without nutrition. A banana.
Old Russians thought they could get me this time. Not today. Pee-pee.
For Billy.
After a long day's work, you just curl up with your newspaper
Well, that's the rest of our episode on the Nature Show. Thanks for watching, everybody.
I'm sorry, Billy. I could not do it.
Now isn't that cute?
I'll get you, Deborah Deadshot. I'll get you if it's the last thing I do.
The old cell phone's ringing. Hello?
Deborah, I have one more time to plead. I need you to kill the Nature Show lady.
I'll have that done faster than a sack of puntos can hear your thoughts.
What is this? What is this? What is this? Damn science!